Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by using the official account recovery flow because it preserves data and is authorized. First, go to the Apple ID or Google account recovery page and follow prompts to reset your unlock using email, SMS, or recovery codes. You do this because device locks are tied to your account. Once the account is verified, the lock can often be cleared remotely. Make sure you have proof of ownership ready and your device online so verification codes arrive without delay. Once done with account recovery, use manufacturer tools to continue. Find My Services let you erase or unlock remotely if permitted. Erasing removes the lock only after reactivation via your account. If two-factor blocks you, contact your carrier or the device maker and present proof of purchase or ID so they can assist legally. Only choose a factory reset if you have a verified backup, because that permanently deletes local data. These steps follow official channels to avoid data loss, and you finish by restoring your data and locking the process down. After regaining access, restore from iCloud, Google Backup, or your local computer backup so your apps and settings return. Then set a stronger passcode, enable two-step verification, and record recovery codes in a secure place. If reactivation or restore fails, escalate to official support with IMEI/serial and proof of ownership. They can perform deeper checks. Troubleshooting tip: if a restore errors, verify backup integrity and try a different network or computer before repeating the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.